Today, we're taking you on a journey to one of the most magical places on Earth, Lapland, Finland. A land of endless winter wonder, where the air is crisp, the landscapes are untouched, and the sky dances with the northern lights. From enchanting Arctic adventures to deep-rooted traditions, Lapland is a destination that feels like stepping into a fairy tale. So bundle up and get ready to explore this breathtaking winter paradise. In Lapland, winter isn't just a season, it's a world of its own. The entire landscape is draped in pure, untouched snow, creating a dreamlike silence that stretches as far as the eye can see. Towering pine trees stand heavy with frost, frozen. Rivers glisten under the pale Arctic sun, and the cold, crisp air carries a sense of tranquility unlike anywhere else. Walking through this winter wonderland, every step crunches beneath your boots, reminding you that you are in one of the last great wildernesses on Earth. And in this frozen paradise, adventure comes in the form of one of nature's most extraordinary companions, the Serbian husky. These strong, resilient dogs have been bred for generations to thrive in the harshest Arctic conditions. With boundless energy and an unmatched spirit, they are built to run, their powerful legs propelling sleds across the endless snowy plains. The moment before the ride begins is electric. The huskies, eager and restless, bark and howl, their breath visible in the freezing air. But as soon as the musher gives the command, silence takes over, except for the whisper of sled runners. Gliding over the snow, the world rushes past in a blur of white and blue as the team races through Arctic forests, across frozen lakes, and into the heart of the Lapland wilderness. The icy wind bites at your face, the adrenaline surges through your veins, and for a moment, you feel completely at one with the Arctic. But as breathtaking as the days are, it's the nights that make Lapland truly unforgettable. As the sun sets behind the snow-covered fells, the sky transforms into a stage for nature's most mesmerizing performance, the aurora borealis. First, a faint shimmer of green flickers along the horizon, almost like a whisper from the heavens. Then, suddenly, the sky ignites in a dazzling display of color, waves of emerald, violet, and sapphire dancing across the darkness. Watching the Northern Lights in Lapland is more than just witnessing a natural phenomenon, it's an experience that touches the soul. Whether seen from deep within the wilderness, from the warmth of a cozy glass igloo, or while standing on a frozen lake, beneath the endless Arctic sky, the aurora is a reminder of nature's raw beauty. In that moment, surrounded by the silent expanse of snow and light, time stands still, and the world feels infinite. Lapland is a land of contrasts, silent yet alive with energy, frozen yet full of warmth, dark yet illuminated by the most spectacular lights in the sky: snow, huskies, and the northern lights, three elements that define the magic of the Arctic. And for those who make the journey, the memories forged here will last a lifetime. But the snow in Lapland is more than just a backdrop. It's an ever-present, living part of the Arctic experience. Here, the snow isn't heavy or wet like in many parts of the world. It's light, dry, and powdery, creating a soft, dreamlike landscape. It blankets the forests, covering the towering pines in thick layers of white, and drapes over cabins, giving them a postcard-perfect winter charm. On clear nights, the snow reflects the light of the moon and the aurora, making the entire landscape glow with an ethereal shimmer. Whether it's crunching beneath your boots, swirling in the wind, or drifting softly from the sky, the snow in Lapland isn't just something you see, it's something you feel, something that transforms the world around you into a winter wonderland unlike any other. But this journey doesn't have to end here. If you enjoyed exploring the wonders of Lapland with us, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an adventure. Keep exploring, keep dreaming, and we'll see you in the next adventure!